Okay, so welcome to everyone. So today we are going to discuss another form of indeterminate form, that is infinite by infinite form. Okay. So first we discuss which type of form are infinite by infinite form. If f and g, if f and g are two functions defined in a deleted neighborhood a minus delta comma a union open interval a comma a plus delta. So this is a deleted neighborhood of a such that first point limit x goes to a f of x, that is equal to limit x goes to a g of x, that is equal to infinity, if both are infinite, right? So what is the second step? We find f dash x comma g dash x, and they must exist, and g dash x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to a minus delta comma a union open interval a comma a plus delta, deleted neighborhood of a. Now third point, limit x goes to a f dash x upon g dash x exists, then it is equal to, then we can say limit x goes to a f of x upon g of x is equal to limit x goes to a f dash x upon g dash x. So it is same as limit x goes to a fx upon gx, that is equal to limit x goes to a f dash x upon g dash, if they exist and g dash x is not equal to 0. If they, if in second step the derivative does not exist, then again we differentiate. Then we find f double dash x g double dash x, provided g double dash x is not equal to 0. And we continue the process till we uh, get till we find that derivative of f and g exists, and derivative of g is not equal to 0 in the deleted neighborhood. So this rule this rule also holds if x goes to infinity or x goes to minus infinity. So let us discuss one example. This is example number 1. Evaluate limit x goes to 1 negative log of 1 minus x square divided by, even we first discuss a simple example, limit x goes to infinity x की power 5 upon e की power x. We first take the simple example. Limit x goes to infinite x की power 5 upon e की power x. So it is when we put x equal to infinite, e x in numerator and denominator, it is in the form of infinite by infinite. So applying L'Hopital rule, we get limit x goes to infinite, we get 5x की power 4 upon e की power x, we get again e की power x. So again it is in the form of, when we put x equal to infinite, it is again in the form of infinite by infinite. So again we apply, again applying L'Hopital rule, we get limit x goes to infinite, this is 20 x की power 3, even we can write 5 into 4. You know that we can differentiate this up to and 5 times. So 20 x की power 3 into e की power x. Again it is in the form of infinite by infinite. So what we do next? What is the next step?
Again applying a L'Hopital.
Yes. So limit x goes to infinity. So it is 60x square. Again differentiate. So it is again in the form of infinite by infinite. Again applying the L'Hopital rule. Limit x goes to infinity. What is the next step?
Again in again apply L'Hopital's rule.
120x.
120x over e raised to power x.
Again it is infinite by infinite form. Oh, differentiate once again. Limit x goes to infinity. We get 120 upon e cube. Now it is not in the form of infinite by infinite. No, numerator is 120 upon e to power x. Now we can put limit 120 upon e to power infinite. E to power infinite is infinite, and any number divided by infinity you get 0. So limit of this function is 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us take another example. Example number 2. Limit x goes to infinity. X की power n upon e की power x. Here n belongs to natural number. In previous example, we consider x की power 5. Now, if we take x की power n, so limit x goes to infinity, x की power n upon e की power x. It is in the form of infinite by infinite. So we apply L'Hopital rule. So what is the next step? That is limit x goes to infinity. You differentiate. So we get n into x to the power n minus 1 divided by e to the power x. Again, it is in the form of infinite by infinite. We again apply the L'Hopital rule. Limit x goes to infinity. N into n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 upon e to the power x. It is again in the form of infinite by infinite. So we continue this process. We continue this process till, because we know that numerator, इसका numerator क्या होगा, वो decrease हो रहा है. So कब तक derivate करेंगे? Up to n time. Limit x goes to infinity, and we get after n time we get n factorial upon e की power x. Now it is not in the form of zero, infinite by infinite. So we put limit n factorial upon e की power infinite, and this is equal to n factorial upon infinity, and that is equal to 0. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Example number 3. Limit x evaluate limit x goes to 0 log x square divided by cot square x. So limit x goes to 0 log x square divided by cot square x. So it is log 0 is infinite, cot 0 is also infinity. So it is in the form of infinite by infinite. So applying L'Hopital rule, we get yes. What is the next step? Can someone tell me what is the next step? Log x square upon cot square. Differentiate this.
Sir, 2 upon x.
2x upon x square.
Yes. So log x log x square, derivative of log x square is 1 upon x square, and again we differentiate x square, so we get 2x divided by cot square x. So 2 cot x, and derivative of cot x is minus
Minus cosec square.
yes, right. So we simplify this. We simplify this, and we can write this as limit x goes to 0. It becomes 2 and 2 also cancel. I can write this as 1 upon x into cot x. So I can write cot x as okay, first we write cot x and taking minus sign common, so minus here into cosecant square x. So we can write this is equal to limit x goes to 0 minus 1 upon cot x is tan x and 1 upon cosecant square x is equal to sin square x divided by x. So I could divide it only by tan x upon x. So it become limit x goes to infinity 0 tan x upon x into limit x goes to 0 sin square x, and tan x upon x, this it is equal to 1. Limit x goes to 0 tan x upon x, it is equal to 1. Even you can apply 0 by 0 form, right? So it is minus 1 into sin 0 is equal to 0. So we get answer, limit of this function to be 0. Next is limit x goes to 0 log of sin 2x sin x, and x goes to 0 positive. X is greater than 0, right? So log of, we know that log base is b, and we have to find calculate the log of a, right? So we can write this as this is equal to log a upon log b. So first the next step is we can write this as limit x goes to 0 positive. It is same as log of sin x upon log of sin 2x. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now at 0, sin 0 equal to 0 and log 0 is infinite. So again, numerator and denominator both are infinite at x equal to 0 positive. So it is 0 by infinity form. So applying L'Hopital rule, we get what is my next step? Can someone tell me?
Differentiate the
Yes, what is the
Differentiate.
differentiation?
1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x.
Yes, cos x divided by 1 upon sin 2x into cos 2x and cos 2x का 2x का 2. So this implies that limit x goes to 0 positive. We can write this as cos x upon sin x into limit x goes to 0 positive sin 2x upon cos 2x into 2 cos 2x इसके आगे ये स्टेप हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, लिमिट एक्स गोज टू 0 पॉजिटिव cos x into sin 2x divided by sin x into 2 cos 2x. So we separate this into two functions. So this implies limit x goes to even in this step we can simply multiply this. We can write this as sin 2x upon 2 cos 2x. Now we first simplify this. Simplify कैसे करेंगे? We put the value of sin 2x and we know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So limit x goes to 0 positive cos x upon sin x 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 cos 2x. 2 sin x cancel out. So we get limit x goes to 0 positive cos square x upon cos 2x. Now when we apply the limit, cos 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. So it is cos 0 upon cos 0 that is equal to 1. 1 upon 1, so it is equal to. So limit of this function is 1. Let us take another example. This is example number 5. Evaluate limit x goes to 1 negative log of 1 minus x square divided by cot pi x. So the given function is, given limit is limit x goes to 1 negative log of 1 minus x square divided by cot pi x. So when we put x equal to 1, so again log 0 is infinity, cot pi is infinity. So we get it is infinite by infinite form. What we do? We apply the L'Hopital rule and we differentiate this. So tell me what is the derivative of this?
1 over 1 minus x square into minus 2x over minus cosecant square pi x into pi.
Minus. So I can write minus pi into cosecant square pi x. Very good. Okay. So it implies limit x goes to 1 negative. I can take 2, minus and minus cancel out. So I can take 2 by pi to be common. So limit x goes to 1 negative x into 1 upon 1 minus x square into cosecant square pi x. In next step, I write 2 by pi limit x goes to 1 negative x into 1 upon cosecant square. I can write this as sin square pi x divided by 1 minus x square. So we separate this into two functions. This is fx, this is gx. So we apply 2 by pi limit x goes to 1 negative into x into limit x goes to 1 negative sine square pi x upon 1 minus x square. Now when we apply limit in first function, so it become 1, 2 by pi into 1. But in second, when we put 1, so sine pi is 0. Sine pi is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is in the form of 0 by 0. Now it is in the form of 0 by 0. And we know that if some limit function is in the form of 0 by 0, we apply the L'Hopital rule. Again applying the L'Hopital rule. So we get 2 by pi into limit x goes to 1 negative. So tell me what is the next step? How we can
2
differentiate
sine
this?
pi x cos pi x into pi.
2 sine pi x into cos pi x into pi divided by minus 2x. So pi and pi total, we get 4. Even I can write 2 limit x goes to 1 negative sine pi x into cos pi x into, I can write 2 sine pi x into cos pi x divided by x. Even we can take minus to be common. Now if we put x equal to 1, then numerator becomes 0, but denominator is not equal to 0. So it is not in the form of 0 by 0 now. We put the limit, so minus 2 into 2 sine pi into cos pi divided by 1. And sine pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So overall, when we multiplied any number by 0, it becomes 0. So limit of the function becomes 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now you try
Sir,
second exercise.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर आपने जो इससे पिछले लिमिट इससे ऊपर स्टेप लिया ना,
हम्म
उसमें 2 में 2 कैंसिल नहीं हो गया सर? आपने लिखा 2 sin पाई x cos पाई x अपॉन x ना, तो
Okay.
सर 2 कैंसिल.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. We can cancel out this. 2 and 2 we cancel. Yes, you are right. Okay. So this implies that we get limit x goes to 1 negative log of 1 minus x square divided by cot pi x. This is equal to 0. Now indeterminate form, infinite minus infinite. Now third form is infinite minus infinite. If limit x goes to a, f of x is equal to limit x goes to a, g of x is equal to infinity. Then to evaluate then to evaluate limit x goes to a fx minus gx, we write fx minus gx as 1 upon fx minus 1 upon gx whole divided by 1 upon fx into gx. Now, which is in the form of 0 by 0, which assumes the indeterminate form zero by zero as x goes to a, and we can evaluate this by applying L'Hopital rule. So, if a function is in the form of infinite minus infinite, then we can apply L'Hopital rule. We can convert it into 0 by 0 form first and then applying L'Hopital rule. For example, evaluate limit x goes to 0, 1 upon e की power x minus 1 minus 1 upon x. Evaluate this. So, given limit is limit x goes to 0, 1 upon e की power x minus 1 minus 1 upon x. Now put x is equal to 0. So 1 upon e की power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 upon 0 is infinite. So first term is infinite. Minus 1 upon 0 is infinite. So it is infinite minus infinite form. So what we do? What is the next step? We try to write in 1 upon fx minus 1 upon gx upon 1 upon fx into gx. It is nothing but it is the LCM. We can take LCM. X into e की power x minus 1. So we can write this as x minus e की power x minus 1. So it becomes plus 1. Okay. So now if we put x equal to 0, now check this function. 0 minus e की power 0 is 1 plus 1. So numerator becomes 0 and denominator 0 multiplied by any number, it is 0. So now it is in the form of 0 by 0. And when we get function in the form of 0 by 0, we apply L'Hopital rule. So applying rule, we get limit x goes to 0, what is the derivative of x? It is 1 minus e की power x is e की power x plus 1 का derivative 0 divided by. Here we apply product of two function, derivative of product of two function. So x into e की power x minus 1, it is e की power x plus e की power x minus 1 into derivative of x is 1. Now again we check. If we put x equal to 0, again it is in the form of 0 by 0. Again applying the L'Hopital rule. So we get limit x goes to 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. Minus e ki power x. We get minus e ki power x upon x into e ki power x. Again applying product of derivative of product of two function. X into e ki power x plus e ki power x plus e ki power x. Now we can simplify first. We can take e ki power x to be common. E ki power x, x plus, here we get 1 plus 1 is 2. So we cancel e ki power x, and now this is equal to limit x goes to 0, 1 upon x plus 2. It is not in the form of 0 by 0, so we can put limit, so we get 1 upon 2. Is it clear to everyone?
सर माइनस ई एक्स
माइनस
माइनस 1 over 2
न्यूमिनेटर में माइनस आएगा ऊपर
Minus 1 by 2. Okay, yes. So it is minus 1 by 2. So take 30 seconds and revise this part.